Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to cast your phone screen for both Android and iOS devices to Panasonic TV. So, in order to cast your phone's screen, if you're using an Android device, you're gonna have to navigate to the settings menu on your TV and check which Wi-Fi network your TV is connected to. So go to Network and Internet settings, then check your Wi-Fi connection, and then on your Android device just make sure that it's the same Wi-Fi network. So in my case they are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise you can also create a portable hotspot on your Android smartphone and connect your TV to it. After that, what you're gonna have to do is swipe down the control center on your smartphone and find the cast icon or the cast tile on it. And if you don't see any cast tile here, then you're gonna have to tap on the edit icon, then add cast feature to your quick settings, and then go back, then select this feature, then select your TV once it's detected, and then you can either choose to cast one application or entire screen. If you select one application, then tap next and select the application that you want to cast. Otherwise, you're gonna have to simply select cast screen, and the screen of your Android smartphone will start casting to your TV. You can also use applications that have the cast icon, that support the cast icon. For example, YouTube application does. Let me just quickly find it on this smartphone. I'm not sure if it's present, but it would be. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, in the YouTube application we have the cast icon in the top right corner of the screen. So we can also tap on it and then select our TV, and then we'll be just casting the YouTube application itself, and so on and so on. Now, so if your TV uses the Google launcher, you will not be able to use the AirPlay directly to connect with your iPhones. So if you want to connect an iPhone to your TV, you're gonna have to go to the apps menu and search for apps and games, and then find the application called AirScreen. Fortunately, I have it. I used to have it on some of my old TVs. So let me just open this applications page. So all you have to do is install this application. It's gonna take a moment. Then once the application is installed, let's open it. Click OK. Now then make sure that your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, just like with Android devices. Then grant this application permission to use your location. Select while using the app. Then let's confirm. And after that, you're gonna have to scan the QR code that you see on the screen using your iPhone's camera. So grab your iPhone and scan the QR code you see on the screen, then tap on the link that you received, and you will be redirected to the AirScreen page, where you can select whether you want to cast an entire screen of your iPhone or just in-app content. So for example, let's select the entire screen, and you will get the instructions on how to do that on your iPhone, and the same with in-app content. And to start the screencast, swipe down the control center once again, but on your iPhone, And after that, you're gonna have to tap on this AirPlay icon. It looks like two rectangles on top of each other, but if you don't see it right here, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of your control center. Then select Add a control at the bottom, and then select screen mirroring feature. And this way you will add it to your control center. Then you're gonna have to select this Panasonic device from the list of available devices. By the way, let's give the application the consent to use cookies. Okay, and so right now the screen of our iPhone is mirrored, and that's basically it. We can also open some specific application like YouTube if you want to cast YouTube, for example, or we can also cast Photos application and cast slideshow, so photos on a full screen. So you can either just open this app and start opening pictures and you will see them on the full screen, or you can use share button and then share your device using AirPlay. And if you want to stop an AirPlay, just swipe down the control center once again, tap on your screen mirroring icon, and then select stop mirroring. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.